Which is on our screens of cars being submerged. It's led to, a lot of inconvenience to people early this morning commuting to work. A word of caution to all our viewers out there. You need to keep in mind that it's going to take you longer to get to wherever you have to early this morning on account of the way it's rained overnight. It's been thundering. It's actually been roaring and pouring for hours now. The situation on the ground is such, as you can see on your screens, that literally Delhi is drowning today. It's been flooded due to the kind of rainfall. Of course, Ghazali, I haven't really heard the kind of thunder I heard overnight. It kept waking me up. How bad is the situation at the moment? Let's just get you some of the voices coming in.
घटना ये घटी है सर, आज का मेरा फ्लाइट है मॉर्निंग का 9 बजे का इंडिगो से। अभी यहाँ पे पता चला कि वो ऊपर का जो है वो कुछ कोलैप्स हुआ है, उसके वजह से मैक्सिमम फ्लाइट उन्होंने कैंसिल करा है और कुछ फ्लाइट होल्ड पे करा हुआ है, लेकिन वो बता नहीं पा रहे कि ये सिचुएशन कब तक क्लियर होंगी।
बैंगलोर जाने वाला था आज, यहाँ पे 8:15 की फ़्लाइट थी मेरी, और मतलब क्या यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली ये हुआ कि रूफ़ कोलैप्स हो गई है और 5-5:15 बजे के आसपास रूफ़ कोलैप्स हो गई है और कुछ लोगों के साथ में कुछ लोगों का एक्सीडेंट भी हो गया। आई थिंक दे आर सेइंग कि एक आधा बंदे की डेथ भी हो गई है, तो विच इज़ प्रिटी सीरियस, और यही सब चल रहा है यहाँ पे। समझ नहीं आ रहा है, एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी में कुछ जवाब है नहीं।
Right, we have my colleague Ghazali back with us on the phone line. Ghazali, take us through what is the forecast? What is the Met Office saying? What kind of relief can we, how soon can we expect some relief in this weather? Of course, it has put an end to those dreaded heatwave conditions that were prevailing here in the national capital. But monsoon making its entry with such a bang is something that is completely unheard of, especially in Delhi. This is Mumbai-style rain that we received overnight.
Yeah, so this is a twin problem right now, because if you know any kind of rescue operation is hampered if incessant rain is happening, and perhaps this is the same thing which is happening right now. Delhi is witnessing rain since morning, and it is certainly hampering or kind of tough for the rescue workers to kind of clear the area where this rooftop has collapsed near the Terminal 1 at the Delhi International Airport. So right now, if you see the weather, it doesn't look that the rain will stop in the next few hours as well. The Met Department had alerted that perhaps Delhi will have an early monsoon by the last week of June. And right now, this is a twin problem for the rescue operation. While heavy rainfall is being witnessed in the city, we also have this unfortunate incident happened there. So the rescue operation, though the Delhi fire services were rushed early morning for the rescue operation, and most of it, what the people in the know of the thing say, that most of the people have been rescued from there, but just to ascertain that not any more, not one of the cab drivers or any other person is being trapped there. The rescue operation is still going on near the Terminal 1.
Right, Ghazali, we also have Ishika with us. Ishika, so of course the damage that you can see to the international airport, and these are reports coming from early this morning. The kind of damage that we are seeing as far as the city is concerned, 6 people have been injured due to the kind of rainfall that's been recorded. From what we're hearing from the Met Office is that it's going to be raining over the next few days, and monsoon has made its entry with a bang when we talk about the national capital, and this comes right after heatwave conditions that were prevailing right up till day before, when the temperatures were soaring. Temperatures have been extremely high this time around, and here you can see that this is an extreme reversal as far as the temperature and the weather is concerned. It's brought down the temperature for sure, but it has brought in a lot of issues to people here in the national capital. Ishika joining us on the phone line. Ishika, take us through what can we expect over the weekend?
Well, the IMD, as far as the IMD goes, they continue to say that this is the condition that is going to be for the next few days. That means it is a rain alert for the national capital for the next few days. And as you rightly mentioned, we had seen that the temperatures were soaring for the past few months. And this certainly was a respite for all the people of the national capital from that. But the unfortunate reality is that even with the first day of such heavy rainfall, we are seeing dramatic visuals that you can see on the screen, how the streets have been waterlogged, in fact how the vehicles have now been submerged. The pictures that we are getting, in fact, from ITO, from Minto Road, and then the unfortunate incident of even a wall collapsing here in fact Terminal 1 of the airport, and in fact 6 people being injured because of that. So certainly this is certainly that the government authorities and also they also need to, pay a heed to, because this is the story of every year, and this certainly is happening, day-to-day work of the people of the national capital. Over to you.
Right, so from what we can see, the Met Office is saying that there's an orange category warning for the national capital and adjoining areas as well, and it's going to continue not just today but over the next 48 hours. So warning that has been sounded off by the Met Office in connection with Delhi and adjoining areas. So we're talking about Uttar Pradesh, we're talking also Punjab, Haryana, we're talking about parts of Rajasthan where very heavy showers are expected. And to know more about this, we have Mahesh Palawat of SkyMet joining us. Thank you so much, Mahesh, for speaking to us early this morning. Take us through, was this really expected as far as the kind of rainfall we've seen overnight?
See, now there is a weather system that is a cyclonic circulation over Punjab and another weather system, cyclonic circulation over eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, and a trough is extending between these two weather systems across Delhi. That's why this rain has taken place over Delhi and NCR and many parts of western Uttar Pradesh and north Madhya Pradesh. And we think now in next 24 hours monsoon will progress and may reach up to Delhi by tomorrow, because this cyclonic circulation over Uttar Pradesh may intensify into a low pressure area, and it will continue its movement in westerly direction up to south of Delhi by tomorrow. So we think that tomorrow there will be heavy showers over north MP, parts of southwest Uttar Pradesh and Delhi and NCR, as well as parts of northeast Rajasthan. Yeah.
Mahesh, damaging rainfall that we've seen, if you could take us to the kind of rainfall that's been recorded till about 5:30 this morning.
Actually, we have not noticed what is the amount of rainfall, but yes, we think that it will be in the tune of say 40 to 50 millimeter. And many parts may have received, particularly southwest Uttar Pradesh may have received a 70 to 80 millimeter of rain. So we can say moderate to heavy rain has already taken place, and now it will continue. Intermittent showers will continue, and tomorrow and day after there may be another heavy spell.
Another heavy spell. Mahesh, when was the last time that monsoon arrived with such a bang? I mean, it has been thundering all night. It's kept people awake. Early morning, people are facing a lot of difficulties in commuting through the streets of Delhi. As you can see on our screens, Delhi is flooded. How long will it continue to rain as far as today is concerned? What's the forecast for today itself?
Today we think that now intensity will go down as the weather system is weakening up because clouds are thinning up. But yes, intermittent rain may continue throughout the day. There will be sunshine, a short spell of sunshine during afternoon hours. Then again by evening or night, rain activities will intensify, and by 29 or 30. There may be another very heavy spell, and it may be more heavy than this one.
So Mahesh, you're trying to say that tomorrow the spell could be heavier than what we have witnessed as of Friday morning. So a word of caution to all our viewers regarding the weekend. Very heavy showers are expected. Mahesh, take us through the kind of rainfall that we're expecting this monsoon season, especially in the northern part of the country, particularly Delhi.
Now we think that the neutral conditions are going to take place, and gradually La Nina will develop throughout the second half of monsoon. So first 10 days of July seems to be very good for most parts of northwest and central India, because the low pressure area is which is forming over eastern parts of UP. It will travel up to South Delhi and gradually towards Rajasthan, and it will weaken at the Sindh of Pakistan. So first 10 days seems to be very good for northwest and central India and parts of East India. Then when La Nina will develop, the second half of monsoon will also be active, and rainfall will be more than normal over most parts of the country, except parts of Tamil Nadu, Odisha and northeast India. And this rain activities is if this type of heavy rain continues during weekend. So because usually most of the offices are shut, so I appeal the people that not to go venture out if it is not necessary. Otherwise, they will stuck in traffic jam and waterlogging.